Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. The SUMIF, and SUMIFS functions in SmartSheet are powerful tools for performing calculations on your data. Each function allows you to add up values in your sheet based on specific criteria, making them essential for data analysis, financial calculations, and project management. The SUM function is the simplest of the three, used to add up a range of numbers. The basic syntax for the SUM function consists of just the range of cells you want to sum. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you need to calculate the total sales for a given period. Enter the sales figures in a range of cells. Use the SUM formula to add up the values. This formula will return the total of all the sales figures within the specified range. The SUMIF function adds up the values in a range that meet a single condition. The basic syntax for the SUMIF function is displayed on the screen. Imagine you want to sum up sales only for a specific product. Enter the product names in one column and the corresponding sales figures in the next column. Use the SUMIF formula to add up the sales for that specific product. This formula will return the total sales for the product that meets the condition you specified. Let's break down the formula. Range. This is the range of cells that you want to evaluate against the criteria. For example, it could be a list of products or regions. Criteria. This is the condition that must be met for a cell's corresponding value to be included in the sum. It can be a specific number, text, expression, or even a cell reference. Sum range. This is optional and is the actual range of cells to sum. If this is omitted, SmartSheet sums the values in the range specified in the first argument, the range. The sum range is used when the values you want to sum are in a different range from the range you are evaluating. The SUMIFS function allows you to sum up values based on multiple criteria. The basic syntax for the SUMIFS function is displayed on the screen. Imagine you want to sum up sales for a specific product within a certain region. Enter the product names in one column, regions in another, and the corresponding sales figures in the next column. Use the SUMIFS formula to add up the sales for that product in the specified region. This formula will return the total sales that match both the product and region criteria. Let's break down the SUMIFS formula. Sum range. This is the range of cells to sum. This is where the actual numbers you want to add up are located. Criteria range 1. This is the first range of cells that you want to evaluate. Each cell in this range is tested against the corresponding criteria 1. Criteria 1. This is the condition that must be met for the cells in criteria _ range 1. Like with SUMIF, it can be a specific number, text, expression, or a cell reference. Criteria range 2, criteria 2, these are additional pairs of ranges and criteria. You can include multiple criteria ranges and corresponding conditions to sum values that meet all specified conditions. These functions are invaluable in scenarios where you need to perform quick and accurate calculations on your data. Here are a few examples of their practical applications. Financial reporting. Use these functions to calculate totals, averages, and other metrics for financial statements and budgets. Project management. Quickly sum up project costs, resource allocations, or task completions based on specific criteria. Data analysis. Apply these functions to analyze sales trends, customer data, or performance metrics across different segments. And there you have it. By mastering the SUMIF, and SUMIFS functions in SmartSheet, you can efficiently analyze your data and make informed decisions. Whether you're managing finances, projects, or large datasets, These functions are essential tools that can help you streamline your work and achieve better results. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.